So here are some tips to having a really good CV or a really good resume to get some work experience in the legal field. Because understandably, it can be a bit of a struggle. I know this because I have been through it. By the way, if you're new here, I'm Lauren. I am a new lawyer from Melbourne, and I have gone from failing 8 classes in law school to becoming an admitted lawyer. So this is step by step. So there's about 4 steps, and I'll show you through each one of them. The first step is to, first of all, just it doesn't have to be perfect, just create a CV that has all of your experience. So it may be long, it may be short, but just have some sort of document that has all of your work experience. Okay, this doesn't mean that this is going to be the CV or the resume that you are going to submit for every job application. You just need something that will show all of your work experience that you're going to use, and I'll show you what I mean. The second step is to also review the job description. So when you find a job that you want to apply for, you are going to review it. And then you're going to go to the third step, which is creating a table with this, and I'll show you. So this is what it looks like. So this is their criteria. So these are the things, so the second column is like the things that they put in their job description. And then the third thing is that you are going to add the things from this first step, that is most suited to this column. So that's why I said to do this step, so you can easily do this step. So for example, in one job advertisement, and by the way, you can use this for any job, like not just the legal field. Like I've used this for all sorts of jobs that I had applied for in uni. For example, they had a criteria for what you need to succeed in the job application, and one of these was this. And I basically took what I had from my big resume with all my experience. I looked through my big resume with all my experience in there. I just checked, okay, which one suits that criteria the most. And I just added it in there. I added that my blog suits the best, my job at SafeWheel suits the best. So this is an organization where I volunteered at as a youth. And then I did the same thing here, and then I just put in like all sorts of experiences that I put step 1 into here. So now you know why I said about that. And then the last step is how you personalize your resume or your CV based on this table. So what I would do is that, of course, I had a document of all this, and then I would put save as, and then I would rename the file as resume and then the name of the company, and then I would just delete the irrelevant experience, the one that I didn't mention in this table, and I would only put in the work experience that I did mention in the tables. So that